we'll guide you through how to create a Stripe marketplace using the latest methods and UI elements available in 2025-2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and sign in to your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create a new account by clicking on the Sign Up button and filling in the required details. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard and click on the Products tab located on the left sidebar. Here, you'll see an option for Create a Platform. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter the name of your marketplace and other relevant details like industry and business type. After filling out this information, click Create Platform. Now, you'll need to set up your payment configurations. Go to Settings in your dashboard, and under Payments, you can set up the currencies you want to accept and configure how funds will be distributed among the connected accounts. It's important to make sure you enable Connect under the Features section, as this is crucial for managing multiple accounts within your marketplace. You'll also need to go to Developers in the menu, and here you can create or manage API keys which are essential for integrating Stripe with your website or application. Make sure to copy these keys securely, as they will be needed for further integration. Next, you might want to customize the user onboarding experience. To do this, go to the Connect section and configure the onboarding flow for your users, deciding what information you need from them and how you will verify their accounts. This step is crucial for compliance and ensuring the security of your marketplace. Lastly, test your setup in test mode to ensure everything is working smoothly before going live. Remember that testing is vital to catch any potential issues before they affect real transactions. Once everything is set up and tested, you can go live by switching from test mode to live mode in your dashboard. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.